Hi, welcome to CodersArts.com. This is the first video on Pyspark. In this video, we are going to discuss Pyspark. What exactly is Pyspark, how it works, why it is used, and where it comes from, and what it could potentially do for us. So let's start. Apache Spark. Apache Spark is a powerful framework which is mostly used for real-time analytics and machine learning purposes in the industry. Apache Spark is a unified computing engine that is related to the context of big data. It provides a set of libraries for parallel data processing on computer cluster, and these clusters are used for analyzing, querying, and pre-processing data. It also provides the library for data analysis, machine learning, graph analysis, and even streaming live data. These are the most important Spark component. First is Spark SQL. Spark SQL working with structured data. This allows us to use SQL queries to access the data. Second is Spark Streaming. It is a library that provides capability to process transform data in real time. With the help of this library, you can process and transform the data in real time so that you get the best result if you have a big data. Third is MLlib. MLlib is a machine learning library with commonly used algorithms such as classification, clustering, and regression. Fourth one, GraphX. It is a library for manipulating graphs and performing graph parallel computation. So we discussed about the Apache Spark. Now what is Pyspark? Pyspark is the Python API which is written in Python language and it supports Apache Spark. Apache Spark is a distributed framework that can handle big data analysis. Apache Spark is written in Scala and it can be integrated with some other languages, for example, Python, Scala, Java, R, SQL language. Spark is basically a computational engine that works with large amount of data sets by processing them in parallel and batch system. Pyspark is mostly used to deal with the large amount of exploratory data analysis because it integrates the Python data analysis ecosystem with Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Advantages of Pyspark: easy integration with the other languages. Pyspark framework supports other languages like Scala, Java, R, etc. Already, PySpark basically helps data scientists to easily work with the resilient distributed datasets. Speed. This framework is known as its greater speed compared with the other traditional data processing framework. Caching and disk persistence. This has a powerful caching and disk persistence mechanism for datasets that make it incredibly faster and better than others. Easy to learn. As we know, Python is a very simple and easy language to learn. So Spark is written in the Python language and it makes it easy to learn. Better code readability and maintenance. It provides better code readability and maintenance with the Python API. It is better than the other programming language. Python language also provides the other option to visualization, which is not possible in Scala and Java. So this was the first. So this is the brief introduction about Pyspark. I will show you how to install Pyspark in the system in next video. Thank you.